Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will go to section 2 in the same exercise. In that first problem is show that determinant BC, B plus C 1, CA, C plus A 1, AB, A plus B 1 is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to show the result of the problem. For that, first we have to take LHS of the given problem. By using LHS, we can apply some rules or some properties and also some operations on this determinant. By using that operations, we have to derive the RHS. Then we can show the LHS and RHS are both are equal to each other. And for that, first take LHS is equal to, the LHS term is determinant BC, B plus C 1, CA, C plus A 1, AB, A plus B 1. This is LHS value. In that, we have to take one operation is that R2 is going to be R2 minus R1. And also the second operation is R3 is also going to be R3 minus R2. Have to subtract. R2 can be changed into R2 minus R1 and also R3 can be changed into R3 minus R2. Then that is equal to determinant R1 will not be changed. Then BC, B plus C 1. Here R2 minus R1. R2 means CA minus BC. CA minus BC. Here C plus A minus B minus C. Plus C minus C get cancelled. Then the remaining value is A minus B. Here 1 minus 1, 0. In the same way, R3 is going to be R3 minus R2. That means AB minus CA. AB minus CA. And also A plus B minus C minus A. Plus A minus A get cancelled. Then remaining value is B minus C. Here also 1 minus 1 value 0. In that is equal to determinant in the first row BC, B plus C 1. Here we can take C as common. Then C into A minus B. Here A minus B 0. In third row first element we can common A. A into B minus C into B minus C 0. Then that is equal to, in second row we can get common A minus B. And also in the third row we can common B minus C into B minus C into determinant BC, B plus C 1, C, A minus B, here 1. We can get A minus B as common 0. A 1 0. This is cancelled. This value is 1. That is equal to A minus B into B minus C. Again write down the same step because here correction is there. BC, B plus C 1, C 1 0, A 1 0. This is the matrix. Here we can expand the determinant value, that is equal to A minus B into B minus C into the determinant value. By using the first row BC into 0 minus 0 minus of B plus C into 0 minus 0 plus 1 into C minus A. that is equal to a minus b into b minus c into this value 0, b minus c into 0 minus 0 value 0, 0 into b plus c, bc 0 minus b plus c into 0 minus 0 value 0, 0 into b plus c 0 plus c minus a that equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. This is the RHS value, that is equal to RHS. This is the solution of the first problem in the section 2. Next we will go to second problem in the same section. In the second problem, the second problem is show that determinant b plus c, c plus a plus b, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, b, c, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is our given problem. Here also same procedure, by using LHS we can deduct the RHS value. Then solution, LHS equal to determinant b plus c, c plus a plus b, a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. Here a, b, c. Here we can take the operation R1 is going to be R1 plus R3. R1 is going to be R1 plus R3, that is equal to R1 is b plus c plus R3 value a, that is a plus b plus c. Here also c plus a, b, c plus a plus b. In the same way a plus b plus c. R2 and R3 are same, that is a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, b, c. That is equal to, here in first row we can get common a plus b plus c value term, that is a plus b plus c into determinant 1 a plus b a, 1 b plus c b, 1 c plus a c. In that is equal to a plus b plus c into this determinant would be expanded by using the first row, then 1 into c into b plus c minus b into c plus a minus 1 into second column first row c into a plus b minus of a into c plus a, and the last term plus 1 into b into a plus b minus a into b plus c. This is the determinant term value, that is equal to a plus b plus c into, we can expand the value, that is bc plus c square minus b into c minus bc minus ab. Second term by multiply with minus c into ab, a plus b, minus ac minus ab, minus into minus plus, that is plus ac plus a square. The last term plus ab plus b square minus ab minus ac. This is the determinant term value. Here we can cancel the similar and opposite terms, plus ab and minus ab get cancelled. In the same way, plus bc minus bc and also plus C AC minus AC, that is equal to A plus B plus C into the remaining term value is A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is the value A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This is the value, but we have the term A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. We can multiply the two terms, then after multiplication, first we multiply with the A cube plus AB square plus AC square minus A square B minus ABC minus CA square. Next again multiply with B plus BA square plus B cube plus BC square minus AB square minus B square C minus ABC. Again with multiply with C plus CA square plus CB square. The remaining term is plus C cube minus ABC minus BC square minus C square A. That is equal to, here we can A square B minus A square B get cancelled, and BC square and minus BC square get cancelled. AB square minus AB square get cancelled. AC square C square A get cancelled. Minus CA square plus CA square get cancelled. B square C, CB square, same terms get cancelled. Then the remaining values are A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Three ABC terms are 1, 2, 3 minus 3ABC. That is equal to RHS of the given solution. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. This is the solution. But we can skip this step also, because one of the formula is that in previous classes, that is A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, value is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. This is the one of the formula. But ఒకవేళ గుర్తు లేకపోతే ఇలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినా అదే వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. లేదా డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ స్టెప్ రాసేయచ్చు, ఈ స్టెప్ని స్కిప్ చేసేయచ్చు అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే ఇది మనకు ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో ఉన్న వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్ములా A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA, that is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. This is the RHS. Then therefore LHS equal to RHS. Then this is the solution of this problem. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, we can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.